predator lives in the wild and Arctic. Into a family game accompanied by young and adult people, and is provided as a gift in various occasions. Let's get closer to this animal. Bears are a group of large mammals found in all over the world in many different habitats. They form the family Ursidae. There are 8 living bear species: giant panda, spectacled bear, brown bear, polar bear, American black bear, moon bear, sloth bear, sun bear. Bears usually have a big body with short and thick legs. They have a broad head and a very short tail. They have small eyes and round ears. They usually have a longer, chuggy fur. On each foot, they have 5 claws, which they cannot pull back. They use their claws for digging, climbing, and hunting. Although all species of bears, including black and grizzly bears, are technically of the order of carnivores, they are essentially omnivores that eat plant, insect, fish, and animals. Bears are very hungry after a long winter sleep, and fast food is a blessing for them. Males are usually bigger than females. Most bears except the giant panda are only one color, and most bears are russet, brown, or black. Bears do not have good hearing. They have powerful senses of smell and sight. They have good sight and can see colors, which is different from other carnivores. Bears also have good memory, which lets them remember where they can find food. Bears do not have many predators. The most important are humans. Several bear species are dangerous to humans, especially in areas where they have become used to people. Elsewhere, they generally avoid humans. Injuries caused by bears are rare, but are widely reported. Bears may attack humans in response to being startled, in defense of young or food, or even for predatory reasons. Some bears hibernate. That means they sleep during the winter to save energy. Usually bears can climb and swim very well. During the breeding season, male bear may visit a female continuously over a period of several days or weeks, depending on the species, to test her reproductive state. During this time period, males try to prevent rivals from interacting with their mate. Courtship may be brief, although in some Asian species, ovulation is induced by mating, which can last up to 30 minutes depending on the species. Gestation typically lasts 6 to 9 months, including delayed implantation. Cubs are born blind and helpless with at most a thin layer of hair, relying on their mother for warmth. The milk of the female bear is rich in fat and antibodies, and cubs may suckle for up to a year after they are born. Lifespan may vary between species. The brown bear can live an average of 25 years. The female bear is one of the most kind and compassionate animals for its cubs. For animals great and small, it's often up to mom to teach them how to survive and use their instinct wisely. By 2 to 3 months, cubs can follow their mother outside the den. They usually follow her on foot, but slot bear cubs may ride on their mother's back. During the first year, the cubs began to eat solid food but still nursed from their mother. They began to learn to hunt and swim, but they cannot live on their own. By the time they are 2 years old, the cubs have grown into large bears. They leave their mother and trek off into territory of their own. They hunt and live alone. Polar bear is a large bear which lives in Arctic. It's also called white bear or northern bear. They are strong and fast and can run a fast 40 kilometers an hour for a short distance. Polar bears are ready to mate when they are 5 or 6 years old. They are adults by this time and weigh 115 to 300 kilograms. Attentive polar bear mothers usually give birth to weaned cubs that stick by her for about 2 years to learn the necessary survival skills in the cold climate. There are plenty of stories that circulate among the people of the Arctic involving the polar bears. These stories have been passed down from generation to generation. They view the polar bear as a mystic creature that is very spiritual in nature. It's one of the animals they show the most admiration for among their culture today.